You're 6 weeks postpartum, maybe even 12. You've been cleared to return to normal, but you wake up feeling drained even after sleeping. You push through the day, the emails, the feeds, the pumping schedule, and still feel like you're running on fumes. You start to wonder, is this just postpartum fatigue or something deeper? Hi, I'm Cherry, a certified maternal and newborn nurse with over 25 years of experience helping moms recover physically and emotionally after birth. If you're a first-time working mom who feels like your energy has completely vanished, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, we will unpack what real postpartum fatigue looks like, how it differs from burnout, and the nurse-back strategies that help your body recover, not just function. Before we start, make sure you grab your free resource hub for career moms in the link below. It's full of nurse-back checklists, recovery workbooks, and quick guides that help you feel more in control whether you're managing maternity leave or preparing to return to work. Let's start with postpartum fatigue. The kind that's normal, expected, and efficient. Your body just went through a massive physical and hormonal shift. Your blood volume is still stabilizing, and your core and pelvic muscles are healing. Your endocrine system is recalibrating. Even if you're sleeping enough, the quality of that sleep is fragmented, and that surely matters. According to the American Sleep Foundation, new moms lose an average of 700 hours of sleep in the first year. Wow, that is a lot. That's almost a month's worth of rest gone. And in hormonal changes, iron depletion, and the physical demand of feeding, and your body is literally in repair mode 24/7. Postpartum fatigue feels like heaviness. It's a body that's asking for rest, food, and recovery, not necessarily a mind that's overwhelmed. You may notice you still find moments of joy, still feel emotionally connected, but physically, you're running on empty. Burnout, on the other hand, is something different. Burnout shows up when fatigue goes untreated, when physical exhaustion turns into emotional depletion. The World Health Organization defines burnout as chronic workplace stress that hasn't been successfully managed. But for moms, that workplace is both home and career. Burnout feels like mental fog, detachment, irritability, and sometimes resentment, even towards the things you love. You find yourself on autopilot, feeling guilty for not enjoying motherhood the way you thought you would. It's not just tired, it's drained at every level. Here's where it gets tricky. Postpartum fatigue can evolve into burnout when you keep trying to operate at your pre-baby pace without recovery built in. ACOG emphasizes that true postpartum recovery continues well beyond 6 weeks. But many working moms feel pressured to perform as if nothing has changed. The result? You push harder, sleep less, and ignore the warning signs your body gives you. So, how do you know which one you're experiencing? Fatigue improves with rest, hydration, and nutrition. Burnout doesn't. It lingers even after a good night's sleep. Fatigue makes your body feel heavy. Burnout makes your spirit feel heavy. One is physical depletion, the other is emotional overload. If that sounds familiar, it's time to take a step back and reassess your recovery approach. Let's talk about practical steps you can start today. First, fuel your recovery intentionally. Fatigue is made worse by undereating or skipping meals. Aim for consistent meals with protein, complex carbs, and hydration. Your body needs energy to repair. Inside the free resource hub for career moms, you'll find sample plate guides and snack ideas that fit around work and baby schedules. Small changes that make a big difference in your energy. Second, protect your sleep in blocks, not totals. Studies show one uninterrupted 4 to 5 hours stretch of sleep promotes hormonal balance better than fragmented naps. Coordinate a shift with your partner or support person so you get one protected block each night. And yes, that means pumping a bottle ahead if it helps everyone sleep better. Third, rethink movement as energy support, not energy drain. AWHONN's postpartum activity guidelines emphasize low-impact movement to improve circulation and mood. 10-minute walks, gentle stretching, or a short mobility routine between meetings can re-energize your nervous system without adding more pressure to workout. Fourth, address emotional load. Burnout thrives in silence. If you're juggling work expectations, feeding challenges, or identity changes, talk to someone, your doctor, therapist, or even a trusted friend who will not minimize your feelings. You're not weak for asking for help. You're wise for doing so early. Now, here's when to seek professional help. If you feel persistently low, hopeless, or detached from your baby or daily life, reach out to your doctor right away. The American Psychological Association notes that postpartum depression and anxiety can often mimic burnout but require medical support. You don't need to wait until you're in crisis to be heard. And one last point. If you're preparing to return to work, talk to your employer or HR about gradual reintegration if possible. Even small adjustments, like working remotely part of the week or flexing start times, can protect your mental health as your body continues to recover. Here's what I want you to remember. Postpartum fatigue is your body's request for recovery. Burnout is your body's protest against constant demand. You deserve to live somewhere in between, where your body feels supported and your mind feels steady. Next, watch this video. It builds on this topic and shows you exactly how to rebuild strength and energy week by week. Before you go, I want you to take a deep breath right now, wherever you are. You are not behind. You are rebuilding from the inside out, and that takes time, intention, and grace. If this video gave you clarity or reassurance, please like and subscribe. It helps YouTube share more nurse-backed postpartum education with women who need it most. And don't forget to grab your free resource hub for career moms using the link below. It has all the practical tools, checklists, and guides to make your recovery feel more structured. I'm Cherry, and I will see you in the next one.